What you are about to hear is the actual recorded audio conversation between the air traffic controllers and the pilot of helicopter Sikorsky minutes before it crashed in Calabasas, California in the morning of January 26, 2020 that claimed the lives of 9 people on board, including the NBA superstar Kobe Bryant.
It's going to be a little bit. I got a citation on a 9-mile final, and then the go around that I just had is going to be turning base to final in about 3 minutes.
Okay, we'll continue holding 2 Echo X-ray.
November 2 Echo X-ray, and for your planning purposes, you can expect to transition to the north side of the airport. I just spoke with ANIs on the line, and they've got multiple IFR departures coming off of runway 16, so you can expect to follow the 5 north and cross that way.
2 Echo X-ray, no problem.
317 Papa to Ring Tower. You can expect a few minutes. I got a special VFR helicopter I need to get transitioning. He's been holding for about 15 minutes. Northwest, follow 5 freeway, maintain special VFR conditions at or below 2,500.
Maintain special VFR at or below 2,500, I-5 northbound 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, roger, and you're cleared suburban class Charlie surface area from the southeast to the northwest.
Copy that, and maintain special VFR, copter 2 Echo X-ray.
X-ray for your transitioning Camarillo, did you just want to follow the 118?
118, and then we'll look around NIs to catch the 101 2 Echo X-ray.
Number 2 Echo X-ray, roger. Number 2 Echo X-ray, continue following your 5 northwestbound to join the 118, and then Van Nuys will work you through. Radar service is terminated. Remain at squawk. Contact Van Nuys helicopters 119.0.
2 Echo X-ray, switch you to Van Nuys. Van Nuys helicopter 2 Echo X-ray with you for the special VFR transition. We are currently at 1400.
Helicopter 72 Echo X-ray, Van Nuys Tower, wind calm, visibility 2 1/2, ceiling 1,100, overcast, Van Nuys altimeter 3016. Cleared into Van Nuys class Delta, northeast of Van Nuys along the 118 freeway. Westbound, advise when you're in VFR conditions or when you're clear of the Van Nuys class Delta. Transition at or below 2,500.
2 Echo X-ray, advise in VFR condition, and then we stay on the 118, so we're currently at 1400. We have 0235.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. And once you clear Van Nuys Delta, did you want to talk to SoCal?
Affirmative, 2 Echo X-ray.
Green line 117, contact SoCal departure. Helicopter 2 X-ray, understand, just remain this frequency, and again, 118 west.
2 Echo X-ray, 118 west. Tower for 2 Echo X-ray, can we go ahead and start turning to the southwest towards the 1?
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, approved, and are you transitioning in VFR condition?
VFR condition 1,500, 2 Echo X-ray.
Helicopter 2 Echo X-ray, thank you. Contact SoCal now 134.2 for flight following 34-2.
34-2.
X-ray ident. So X-ray, yeah, you're on a 1200 code. Are you requesting flight following? So 2080 SoCal approach fly, present heading, maintain 6000.
Present heading 6000, top of 2080.
2 Echo X-ray, what are you saying intentions? What do you... Good. 2 Echo X-ray, you're still too low level for flight following at this time. 4051, you're 5 miles from satellite, turn left heading 100, maintain 4000 with actual 2 Echo X-ray SoCal.